Hi guys, welcome to my weekend vlog and thank you for tuning in. Today I started this vlog on Friday. Yeah, it's in the evening. The children have just come home from school. We are washing the clothes from the corridor because it was drizzling a little bit. Yeah, that's me, Brian and Hope. We are doing some washing.
See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate.
When Brian and Hope came home from school, they found that I've already washed their other clothes, so they are just washing their pair of uniforms which they have come home from school with.
Between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just want to be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I've already washed the other utensils. I'm just washing what Brian and Hope have come home from school with. Their school, their lunch dishes, yeah, and the bottles and Hope's thermos, and their snack dishes also.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
I usually shave the boys after every 2 weeks, so this is the second week since the last time I did it. So today I'm going to shave them.
So you notice too, sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
I bought this machine and the blow dryer in 2020 when there was a curfew and all, because it was hard to go to the barber to do this, and also to the salon for Hope. The boys had gotten shaggy back then, so I decided to get them these machines.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statements.
So today on Friday we cooked ugali for supper and some greens, some sukuma wiki, and also we cooked some eggs on the side.
I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord.
These greens are for 30 shillings, so we usually divide in a half. We cook half of it and then the next day we cook half of it for lunch.
There's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Now this ugali is what we like eating in the evening because everybody will be full and happy. Yeah.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you. Have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bro. Game up, change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going.
So today this is our source of proteins from the eggs. We like eggs also, yeah. And this is the beautiful chef doing the cooking of the eggs. So Hope is preparing my egg first, and also she will also prepare ours. Yeah.
Positivity, I feel like we all just hate on everything, is killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities.
I love the way Hope cooks her eggs. She cooks them so well and so yummy and not overcooked.
Work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say say never and turn your mind into the truest of go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
So my egg is now ready. She's now going to cook her own egg. Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
A round of applause for our beautiful chef Hope. Yeah. So Hope's eggs is ready. Now it's time for our third chef, and that is Brian. A round of applause. Brian likes experimenting a lot. One thing about Brian, he loves cooking, and this is him trying something new. And that's why, in fact, we did our eggs first, because Adrian and Brian, they want to try something new. I think Brian will become the next Gordon Ramsay, or is it our roaming chef in Kenya? Yeah, so this is him trying a new recipe. As you can see, he really likes trying something new, and I just let him experiment, because you know, you never know about the future. Yeah.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
In fact, all my children love cooking, and even Adrian does very good eggs. In fact, this year they had their CBC project was doing an egg and some other projects, and he really does some good eggs also. And all the children here love cooking, and I usually let them do so, because in fact it's only the only hindrance right now is because they are preparing for the exam. So I've been in the kitchen a lot, but I usually let them cook. They even do chapatis and all, because chapati, of course, is our favorite meal in the house. I remember last year during my birthday, they surprised me. They told me, get out of the house, and they surprised me with some very sweet, yummy chapatis and some other food. What was the stew? Can't remember the stew, but it was very well cooked food. So they usually cook a lot, especially in 2020 when there was curfew and there were no schools. They were at home. I used to relax a lot. They were always in the kitchen trying new experiments, trying new things. Yeah, and as you can see, the egg has turned out so well. As Adrian said, it was very yummy and sweet. Yeah, and now he's doing his second egg, as you can see. Yeah.
Show you what you want. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone.
So that's Brian continuing with his second egg. Yeah, I think he put a little bit of maybe too much of heat. It backfired a little bit, but he enjoyed it also. Yeah.
And I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a, I keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't play, then got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I had no questions. I had fun.
So our Friday night and Friday in general was just beautiful. As you can see, Hope is already done with her egg and our food for that matter. And that's now me. I was the camera lady today, so that's me doing my eggs. Hope has just warmed it again for me. So today is on Saturday. It's the next day after Friday. Yeah, the boys, the children have carried some black tea, as you can see, and Hope is having a breakfast, ugali from last night, and also some black tea. Yeah, so today, in fact, they are leaving for school right now, and today I wasn't in the mood for vlogging. But at the end of the day, I ended up in the evening when the children came back from school. We ended up doing a video which I'll upload during later on during the week. Brian went for some soil from the sewage area, so I will take you through the sewage area. I'll upload the video maybe on Wednesday or some other day during the week. Yeah. The reason I wasn't in the mood for vlogging is because I had run out of gas, and cooking gas for that matter, and I wasn't in the mood. I had some money, but it wasn't enough to make a refill, so I was down a little bit. So yeah, the children going for school. In fact, we didn't have some lunch, but we took some bananas. Everybody too. Then they chose some gum for 5 bob, and then myself, I chose a biscuit. You'll see that in the vlog for the sewage as we go to collect the soil. Brian wants to plant some sukuma wiki and some parsley and some other few items. Hi guys. Hi guys, today is on Sunday. Welcome to a Sunday vlog. Yeah, we shall take you through the day. We are heading to church. I'm here with my daughter. Hope, say hi to them.
Hi. 33 people.
Siongee kwa sauti.
So we are headed to church. So it's gonna be a good day, and please subscribe and let's go to church together.
Yeah, and thank you for the 33 subscribers. My goodness, it's going to be a great day. Oh yes.
Brian and Mark have already gone to church, so it's me and my mother walking to church. Thank you for the 33 subscribers for subscribing to our mom's channel. We appreciate it a lot.
Yeah, so it's already on Sundays, guys. We are headed to church, as Hope has told you. And I wasn't in the mood again for vlogging because yesterday I didn't manage to cook them a meal. Still the money wasn't enough, but instantly when we left the house, the mood just came back. I guess when you have started something, you just have to continue no matter the mood. Yeah. So here we are. We managed to do this vlog even in times of yeah, those thick days. And in fact, it was very fun recording these videos. Yeah, I hope you enjoy, guys, and you kindly subscribe to the channel. So jacaranda tree nakanga po, but kuchafua tafagianga leaves kila asubuhi. Ilikuwa ushago, sijui hata ilikatwa ama what happened. Beautiful jacaranda trees.
Oh, kuna makelele.
Shikilia basi. Leo utaki kuchukuliwa video.
Hata sioni mbele, najua matumu.
Najua ni venye uko kwa jua. Hii place inakuanga serene. We need to come here for a picnic. Tupike, tuchapo, tukuje.
Sasa tunakaa wapi hapa?
Tuchapo na tusukuma.
Hapa tunakaa wapi? Kila mtu anakuona.
Kwani kuna shida? Na huku ndani
huko kwa manyoka.
Huko si tumeenda places mob picnic. Kuna kaa hii. Place kama pale mkapo. Kutandaza. Maji inatoa sauti poa.
Sasa ni baridi.
Sasa kuna pressure. Lakini tukitokea itakuwa imereduce pressure. Mbona? Unajua saa ingine kwa mlima unaweza pata kulinyesha asubuhi.
Oh, so maji zinakuwa nyingi.
Yaani pressure inaongezeka sasa.
Kama hapa inakaa iko low. Wamerudi. Iya, kumbe inaenda hivi vyote.
Kia bwana hizo miti. miti zinanifresha.
Naweza buy hapa land hizi miti
ziko za drone. Unachukua vizuri wenye imejidivide.
Mpaka huku nakapeleka hivyo. Kama ile akina Juan. Ili
nini? Let's go to church. Uko na kadogi ka smart. Oh.
kashike. Ama mamake kanirudi.
Oh, nikasupu. Oh, puchunga usiumwe na mamake. Oh my goodness. Nikasupu. Umepewa ruhusa ya kushika. But chunga. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
so cute. Nika cute. Kanafuata mwenyewe sasa. Nasema guza watoto wangu. Beautiful puppies. Oh. Nimejua tu utadrop hako ukiona kanono. But kako na ticks. Kako na ticks hope.
Tiki zinanilamba mgumu.
Ni too pretty.
Shika. Yashuru tuende. Shika. Naogopa.
Anaogopa.
Unaogopa?
Junior,
kuja shika.
We, so cute. Ni too pretty. Ungekuwa na space ungeomba kamoja. But where do you keep them? What do you feed them? Taki kuchukua dogi uenda kutesa huko. So cute. Oh my goodness. Bwana aka kako nini? Curious. Hata ndio kalikuwa nje. Nasema what is this life? I love it. Where is my mama? I wanna breastfeed. Let's go. We uko na tu dog tu cute sana. Asante kutuallow tuchukue tu photo. Aki. Asante kutuallow kuchukua ka video. Ati?
Anaipenda kwa damu yake. Kama wewe.
Asante kutuallow kuchukua ka video.
Angalia mama.
Tachelewa church cause ya tupapi.
Mama angalia inauma. Inauma huko nyuma mama.
They are just playing around. Aki ni too cute.
Kadogo.
Hapo ni kanono. Kanasema come here. You wanna be my friend? I'm ready for the friendship. Oh my goodness, ni ka cute. Ni too cute. Just can't get enough.
Ninaenda nako tu.
Labda uombe. So playful.
Aka nikatokozi.
Si ndio tumekapata nje. Tunapenda nature. Kanapenda nature. Aka kanataka tucheze. This one is cute.
Sasa imeenda wapi?
Inatembea.
Inanilamba. Na mimi nikishtuka inatoroka inashtuka pia.
Beautiful puppies.
Ndio mama.
Twende Hope sasa.
Nakukanyanga.
Nataka mchezo. Bye.
Bye.
Kwani tumezaliwa lini utu? Tuko how old? 3 weeks. Well, ni too smart.
Sasa inahitaji mtu achukue ikiwa hivi. Unaitrain mom, ndio? Kakia kadogo.
Unaipoti train, unaitrain kila kitu. Hiyo ndio mamake.
Ile pale.
Ameshawa breastfeed. Ni saa ya kuota jua.
Nawapimia kwa
Haki. Na yeye ni mzuri, tumewaguza na atutandiki.
niko hapa.
Oh, ni venye uko hapa. Hebu tuende kama umeenda. Asante.
Mom chunga.
Akananyonya. Oh my goodness.
Angalia mom. Tumeenda
Yeye anakaa happy. Hiya, bye doggies. You have done a beautiful job. Watoto wengine tuko huko.
Mami naosha.
Kai, huyu ndio mama. Kananyonya. Acha tusikaribie. Ko kamekuja. Na unaona ndio kanono? Kamekuja kunyonya tena.
Kanajua.
Kanajua maisha ni London.
Hapo kaneka tu hivi.
Kwanza I wish tuko mahali kwa gorofa. Ingetokea poyo.
Drone unaweza ikuma huko.
Hai, huko ni mbali. Still unajua iko limited na meters. Ina depend umechukua ya what range. But siku moja tutaenda kuhike. Kuwa tayari. Tabai tent, tuende kivyetu. Na kale ka gas ka 3 kg si umakajua? Alafu saa mnabai zile canned foods. Tunaenda kuhike Mount Kenya. Guys, look at that mountain. It's not very clear, but you can see Mount Kenya over there. Let me try and zoom a little bit.
Mom, ndio ile umbo ya white.
Yes.
Mom.
There goes Mount Kenya.
Mama angalia ile umbo.
Kidogo tu hapo. Unaona peak inaonekana vizuri. Tuki-zoom in kiasi tu. Si clear sana but it's beautiful. Today we entered the main church and I was surprised to see this list. The kids had not told me about it before. It's a list of the altar boys and girls. My daughter and Bran is up there. I'm such a proud mama. We just came here it's not been long, and they have been so active in church also, and I'm such a proud mommy. Yeah, that's me trying to zoom so that you can see Hope and Brian. Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date.
So now we have just come out of the main church. We are headed to the stadium side of the church so that we can attend the second mass there. Yeah.
So catch me if I fall.
Fire,
Nitoe shukurani.
The second service is over. Now we are headed home. Yeah, I bought the kids something to eat, some cakes, those ones for $5. Yeah, because you know the situation back home.
Remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Mass today was just beautiful and amazing. I felt good after attending. I was so back to myself and even in a better mood than I was before I left the house. Yeah, so I'm thankful to God for everything which He has given unto us.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.
Si moja, anakuwa na dogi nyingi. Anakuwa na dogi nyingi. Si tatu, zinakuwa nyingi.
Anaanza kuchafua bag. Sasa enjoy maisha. Kwanza mimi napenda safi. Napenda hizo jacaranda. Unataka koko? Kwangu. Mimi mbali na compound. Mbali kwa kufagia.
Lakini sina inatoanga maua smart.
Vacuum clean.
Hii ni vacuum cleaner.
Kuna vacuum ya takataka ya naitwa aje? Compound. Unafanya ndio hurry up. Ni hapa tu na ni bambanga unakimbia ngaje? Tugoje Adrian. Ni dance.
Wakanda hii hapa.
This is the main hospital, the general hospital in Nanyuki. Yeah, and I've just taken a picture from the back side of it. Yeah, just take a small view of it. Yeah.
I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night.
Look at these trees, they are so beautiful. I love them.
Between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing like no, is living with no shame.
So as you can see, it's like we haven't recorded a Saturday one, but as I've told you earlier, on Saturday in the evening I didn't record during the day, but during the evening when the children came back home from school and way after, we did a video. Brian went for some soil. We all went for soil in the sewage area, so I will take you a tour. It was so beautiful, so I'll give you a tour of it. Because it's a long video, I'll just upload it during the course of the week. Yeah. So we are already home from church. We are just tidying up here, getting rid of some dust and yeah.
All I need are some better days, 'cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change.
So this is what we were trying to, Hope was trying to cook on Saturday, but for lunchtime, but the gas depleted. The onions, they have already turned the color. It's not very clear on the camera. Yeah, and then the spaghetti, just immediately after the water boiled, the gas ran out. So yeah, they weren't ready. You couldn't just, they weren't consumable. Yeah, so just a peek of board and a closer look. Yeah, as you can see, they are not ready. Just immediately after the water boiled, the gas finished, depleted. So here we are, and yeah. So this was pretty much our Sunday. I managed to take a nap today, a very sweet one, and it was 2 hours. Is that even a nap? Yeah, I took a very long nap. Yeah, and the kids, here we have Wi-Fi. The landlord has Wi-Fi, and if you need it, she shared the password with you, but she includes it in the rent. Yeah, so you pay some extra cash for the Wi-Fi as you pay the rent. So after taking the nap, now me and the boys, Hope didn't want to go outside. I came outside to edit some videos, and here are the boys doing what they love most. Brian really loves football, and Mark too, and I hope one day he'll get better chances to play with the big teams. He keeps mentioning it, so I hope God will open a door for him so that he can be able to do it bigger. Yeah, as I've mentioned, we have Wi-Fi. So as I was taking the nap, the children were busy on my phone scrolling through TikTok. Yeah, and they had some really good time also. They enjoyed. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.